Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk, and this is my tarot and crystal guidance video for July the 9th to July the 15th. I don't know about you, but I just got back from vacation and I got lots of sun and rest and relaxation and a little bit of party, and I had a really good time with friends and strangers, and I got to be out on lake and rest and really enjoy myself. I hope that everybody is taking a vacation this summer and taking care of them and putting themselves first. It's very important. So let's give these cards a really good shuffle and give the crystal cards a really good shuffle. And the crystal cards are for the Happy Soul crystal cards, which are the Oracle guidance deck that Dan Koo, the owner of Happy Soul, and myself created last year, and they're full of wonderful crystal knowledge and guidance and connects those crystals to chakras. So it's a really wonderful tool that I like to use in my readings for you all every week. So Monday the 9th, the tarot card is the moon. Let's look into our dreams. Let's connect to the mysteries and wonders of our subconscious on Monday and really think about what is our higher selves, the best version of us, our spirit guides, our subconscious and our unconscious, and what does the divine trying to tell us in our dreams. We always kind of a lot of us who have vivid dreams kind of put them to the side, or some of us don't even remember our dreams. It's very important to try and look for our dreams because there are meanings, there are stories, there are communications, and beautiful messages inside of our dreams. So it is very important that you start a dream journal if you have not, because on Monday some of you are going to be having a dream that has a very special message from your guardian angel. So look for this on Monday morning. It's a wonderful way to start the day. And hello snaps, how are you? Are you going to enjoy are you going to join us for this tarot reading? Yes, you are. So the crystal card for Monday is Blue Lace Agate, and it connects to our throat chakra, which is about expression, communication, and listening. And it is all about clear communication. It's I want to be heard, a soothing stone to speak your truth, but it's also a listening stone, and it brings tranquility. And it's about listening to messages and dreams, which keys in very much to the tarot card that came up for Monday. Do you know what you have as much right as anyone to be heard? So think about the messages that your angels are sending you through your dreams and communicate them with others. It's very important. So Tuesday the 10th, we've got the 9 of Wands, and this is about feeling oppressed by our life purpose or our jobs or what we're learning and what we're doing. Do you feel like you have too much on your plate? On Tuesday, you're definitely going to feel overwhelmed and ready to give up. Don't give up about what your dreams are. I want you to keep going and focusing and really clarify what your goal is, and really ask yourself what you're passionate about, and not say, oh, I have to do this because I need the money, or I need to be with this person because of this or that. Just clear all of your mind and say, what makes me happy? I want you to ask yourself in the mirror, and if you cry, it's okay. Just say, what makes me happy? What makes you happy? What makes you happy? And write those things down, and you'll be surprised. Follow your bliss. So the crystal card for Tuesday is, oh my gosh, no better crystal to follow your bliss than citrine. Citrine is my favorite crystal of all crystals. It is about prosperity, wealth, abundance, feeling like you have more than enough. It connects to your solar plexus, which is about power and strength and confidence. And definitely, it manifests and attracts wealth, prosperity, and positivity. It transmutes negativity into positivity. And the question it brings is, what would you do if you had more than enough? So if you had more than enough happiness, you wouldn't feel oppressed, you wouldn't feel depressed, you wouldn't feel sad. So bring that into your center. Oh, I know you can see the tracking thing on the camera, and he's all like, oh, I see people inside, I want to come and hang out with you. So for Wednesday the 11th, let's pull a tarot card. It's like snaps, and this is a blank card, so that goes to the side. I was wondering where that was. So Wednesday is the King of Wands. The King of Wands is, Who inspires you when it comes to life purpose? Are you a fan of Elon Musk, Bill Gates? Do TED Talks inspire you? I want you to find your mentor, your inspiration, and I want you to focus on it. On Wednesday, I really want you to think about who is the master of life passion that you're really inspired. Maybe you really like Tony Robbins. Maybe you like Oprah. I want you to really fixate on the master, a mentor, or maybe find a life coach on Wednesday that really inspires you. I know I've been looking for, even though I do tarot guidance and coaching and stuff like that, I'm looking for somebody who's going to mentor me in my spiritual business, to bring me to the next level, because sometimes we feel stuck, and it's okay to feel stuck. And that is definitely what Tuesday was all about. So on Wednesday, find a mentor, look at finding the right person to develop the things that you want to develop to unstuck you and make your life better. And the crystal card is, oh my god, that makes so much sense. Tiger's Eye, Sacral Chakra. It's about creativity. It's about strong creativity. This is the Bro crystal. It's very masculine energy, and it brings confidence to make decisions with ease and to implement follow-up action. And has a decision you have put off impacted your life? So putting things off will drastically affect your life and prevent you from growing and affect all kinds of different things. So seize the day. Find someone who can kick your ass, who can coach you, and maybe it's a friend, maybe it is setting up organized thing on your phone, but find someone who can mentor you, who can inspire you, and bask in the glow of their success and their life purpose and their passion so that you can find yours. So, Thursday the 12th, and the tarot card is the Hangman. The need to walk away and break the cycle. Break the cycle. This is a strong message in this week. Even though you're in a situation that doesn't serve you anymore, you're doing it because it's convenient and it's easy. Maybe it's a job that you've outgrown, a relationship you've outgrown, or living in a place that doesn't suit you anymore, or your needs or your vibe. You need to get off the cross, release yourself, and move on to something. Challenge yourself. Go up for the challenge. And the crystal card, I have a feeling, is going to make a lot of sense. Oh my god, and this is so fun. I love doing this. Right snaps, and he's sitting in my lap like a cutie woody, and now he jumped down, and he's probably going to get into trouble. But this is Amazonite. Connects to the heart chakra, and it allows you, brings motivation. And that is what you need. You need motivation from the Hangman. So motivates you into action and to speak in a way without fear of judgment, because a lot of times we don't want to be judged, so we don't do things, and it's very sad and it's very scary. So the thing is, where do you need more motivation in your life? Think about it. Motivate yourself. Light a fire. Have a cup of coffee. Maybe have a healthy snack instead of having a sweet, sugary snack. Try to think about your diet. Think about motivating yourself. Really hold a standard. Light a fire under your own ass and listen to your heart and heal your heart so that you can be motivated to live your dreams. Find your bliss. So, Friday the 13th, and the tarot card is... wow. 10 of Cups. So Friday the 13th is while you're trying to look for your bliss, it's about finding your tribe. I really feel that everybody on Friday is going to be looking for and networking with people, or looking to find places to network with people who are on the same vibration. And finding people who are on the same vibration is so important, because you need to feel love, and you need to find someone who is on the same page, and you need to be appreciated and a part of a community. So find your tribe, find people who are passionate about the same things, and be a part of that support system and support other people who are on the same journey. So the crystal card is the crystal and the tarot card pairings this week are just insane. We've got Snowflake Obsidian, which connects to your root chakra, which is all about safety, security, releasing of worry and fear. So Snowflake Obsidian is about comfort. It's like, gives the grounding feeling of everything is all right when anxious or grieving. And when we don't have people to support us, we feel anxious. And when we've lost people we love who are our support system, we grieve. So, are you living in the present? And the most important thing is to find your community is to live in the present. Stop grieving about the past. Stop worrying about the future, but be here, be now, and find your community, find your family, find your tribe, and welcome them in. Receive them. It's time. So, okay, Saturday the 14th, we've got all the work that you're going to be going through in this coming week is going to be really intense and very emotional. It's going to be a roller coaster, but Saturday is going to leave you feeling satisfied. And it's the Nine of Cups is all about satisfaction, feeling rewarded emotionally and spiritually for the work that you've done. So you've done all this heavy work and let go of things, forgiveness, motivation, finding tranquility, but also finding the energy and the strength to follow your bliss, and you're going to be satisfied with the work that you've done. So the crystal card is wonderful. Rhodonite, also heart chakra, and it's about love. Grounds your heart chakra energy and brings your love energy into the physical plane. So it's very important when we've had a lot of damage in our lives to where we live and how we feel, and we feel anxious and worried. A lot of times when we're growing up, and by the time when we get to middle age, we start to have damaged root chakras, solar plexuses, and sacral chakras, and heart chakras, and we think, oh my god, I have to heal my heart. But really, we have to start at the bottom, work way up. And what's really, really wonderful about Rhodonite is that it heals the heart and the root chakra at the same time. So, has your love been too idealized? And this is what happens, is that we make up an impossible vision of what we want, the people around us and the things that we want. So they're so impossible that we're like, oh, I'll never deserve that. I'll never have that because it's too impossible. We put it on a mountain. If you're idealizing your reality and the things that you love, you need to bring them back to present, bring them back to reality, and achieve the things that are realistic. And love the things that are realistic. And be in the now. Be present. So, Sunday the 15th, the tarot card is wonderful. The Ace of Cups. Possibility of spirituality, emotion, a new journey, true life passion, life purpose. So this coming week is a lot of work, but you are going to have the power to conquer the world. And once you realize and have found the things that you love and found your community and your tribe, you can achieve anything. And you will be touched by the angels themselves and slain with the Holy Spirit. It's so wonderful and so magical and so powerful. You will become the center. You have balanced your chakras. You are going to be, once you find your life purpose and you're living your life personally, you're just, wonder abides. It's just so wonderful. And here it is, one of my favorite crystals, my birthstone. Aquamarine connects to the heart chakra, and it's about emotional clarity. Brings perspective when feeling overwhelmed or conflicted. So a lot of conflict went through this week, and a lot of work happened, but you are going to be free and find clarity on Sunday. And what would you gain from less conflict? So let go of the conflicts, let go of the things you have no control over, because a lot of the conflicts happen in your mind's eye. And when you let go of them, hi Snaps, how are you? You will be free to live your bliss. So I want to thank everyone for tuning into all of my videos. And sending me all kinds of things. There's been so many people who have been signing up for my Udemy free workshops and my Crystal Master Certification and Tarot Master Certification on Udemy, and sending me wonderful messages and saying how much they love Snaps. Snaps loves you too. I read him all the reviews that I get on Udemy. I have over 300 reviews and I have over 4,000 students. I feel so blessed. In such only 6 months, it's exploded, and I'm looking to spend more time making more workshops. I hope to have more time to do that. The Tarot Master Certification Workshop is going on all summer, so drop-ins are only $30, and is available on the Happy Soul website. All the information. I'm going to be letting you guys know what workshops will be available in the fall for the Crystal Master Certifications in store. And if you're interested in learning about crystals, you can learn them online on Udemy. So just on udemy.com and the app, just search my last name, Wargachuk. Mwah! And thank you for everybody who has been so supportive. You are my tribe. I love you all. And have a really great week. Bye!